Hello everyone. Today I am discussing about SQL terminologies and rules of EF CODD. Terminologies. Table. In table we have rows and columns. It is a logical organization of data which consists of rows and columns. Columns is referred as attributes or fields. It is a single attribute collection of all the entities. And rows is also referred to as rows, records or tuples. It is a horizontal rows. It is the representation of all properties of a single entity. Cell it is referred to as a single entity, single smallest unit in table in which we store data. It is the intersection of rows and columns. Entity. Anything which has its existence. In this, it is all is considered as entity. In this, we represent columns. We have 4 columns and 5 rows. In this, each part is called cell. In RDBMS, EF CODD has given 4 rules which we will be discussing now. The data stored in the cell must be a single value data. Means we can only have single data as one, or here as a student name as Sheila. We cannot write another name by expressing comma, or here it is a student ID 1. We can't keep 10 or something else because it is a single value data type. In RDBMS, we store everything in the form of tables, including metadata. The details about the data is metadata. In this, we are representing that data. We can represent anything in the form of data as integers or characters or any decimal points also. As we are discussing about metadata is the data about another data or details about another data. For example, we have an image. We will have what time it has captured, or a date, or a location, or some pixels. We have some data. Inside that we have another data. In soon we will discuss more about that. According to EF code, we can store data in multiple tables. If we needed, we can establish connection between 2 tables using key attributes. We can establish new attributes. As I said, we can establish the connections as key attributes. Means same attribute we can percent. For example, if Sheila has another semester wise percentage, as I discussed here, semester 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the percentages are represented as here. In this, the 2 attributes are common as percentage, so we can make connection. Here this table name is called percentage 1. This table is name called is student. Is 2 attributes common attributes known as key attributes. And the fourth rule is we can validate the data entered into the table in 2 steps by assigning data types, by assigning constants. Data types and constants. By using data types and constants, we will enter the data, and validate also we will validate. For example, we have 1. We can't write anything as another characters or other integers or decimals. We can only enter here only data as a integer. As I discussed that metadata we have data. We can it is a data of another data or details of another data. For example, if we click a photo in the phone, it has some properties as a date, size, pixels, location, time, format. As I discussed, we have 6 properties or more than we can have, but we can have more data. So some student ID has one photo, it has another data also as represented as data size, pixels, location, time, format, and so on. It is the data about another data. Thank you everyone.